everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. So today we are back with our another brain development activity, which is a Tetris puzzle. So before starting the video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates on our upcoming videos. So let's start the video and see how to do this activity. So for this activity, all that you need is this cardboard. This is a DIY activity which you can very easily prepare at home. Just take a cardboard and in between make some patterns. You can make any pattern here, right? And along with it, you just need some of the shape cutouts, as you could see here. So these are the same shape cutouts which are on the paper. Make sure that when you make these cutouts, these should be the same size as drawn on the paper. For example, if I take this one, then this is fitted here, right? So this should be exact same shape. So now let's see how to perform this activity. So for this, you just give one particular shape cutout to the child and then ask him to put this one on the given pattern. So this is a kind of square, so the child will find where this can get fit. So here it is. So the child will put it here. After that, if I take this one, then again the child will find the same thing on the pattern. Now the tricky thing here is that this shape is present in this pattern in multiple ways. Somewhere it is like this, somewhere it is in the opposite direction, somewhere it is in the another dimension, somewhere it is like this, like this. So now this could be a tricky thing for a child to find the same shape. For example, if he tried to fit this here, it doesn't get fit. If he tried to fit it here like this doesn't get fit here. So like this, child will find, he will think logically that where this actually can get fit. So for example, if I put it here, this goes here, yeah. So if I take this one, then again he will find. So here we are working with the child's hand and eye coordination also. And if I take this one, then this comes here. So by this activity, you are actually enhancing his problem solving capability. He have to solve this problem that where the same shape or shape cutouts will match to make it complete. For example, if we take this one, then now we have to find, will this come here? No. Here? No. Then maybe here? No. Then where it should be? Then he have to turn it around. And then he will find that where this will come. So this will come here. So I hope you get the idea that how good this activity is and how this could develop the brain of the child. This is a perfect activity for 3 to 3+ years of age group. And if you want to enhance it for the upper age group, as I always say in my videos, so you can make it more complicated. You just need to make a complicated pattern and then give it to the upper age child to solve this. And this is a kind of activity which child really enjoy. Yeah, so he will take this as a fun activity. He will take this as something that he take it as a game. So like this, child will put all of them here across like this. So this will come here, and if I take this one, then this come here like this. He will put it here. And now as you could see, our puzzle is ready. So like this, child will complete this puzzle. So this is very nice activity for kids to do. This really helps in their brain development. You can use this activity in their daily practice. And when I had given this to Amish, then first or second time he faced some problem, but now he loved this game, and even in a day sometimes he do it 2 or 3 times. He's really enjoying it. So I hope you like this video, and now it's Amish's turn. So let's see how he's doing this one. If you find this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this worksheet with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.